Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're working on something different. A customer brought in a 14-inch HP laptop. It's a ProBook 440 G7. On his description of the issue, it says that it doesn't work, it doesn't turn on. An estimate to repair. So let's go ahead and see what's actually wrong with this laptop. It's a fairly decent laptop, to be honest. If we connect the charger, we do get a white light and then it turns off. If we press the power button, nothing happens. Oh wait. The caps lock is flashing. Let's take a closer look at the caps lock flashing and try to decipher what that blink code is. So it's one long, two long, three long, or is it just one long? Ah, let's check. There are some answers on the HP support forum that say that one blink is the CPU. We'll put their name to the test. Let's go ahead and disassemble the laptop and check what's going on in there. And see if it's actually the CPU or not. Let's go ahead and put this away. First thing we always do, as you should know by now, is disconnect the battery. Just for the hell of it, let's disconnect the BIOS battery. Is this a card reader? Yes, this is an SD card reader in which the BIOS battery is connected as well. If you want to speed things up, you can always short the two poles on the BIOS battery for a faster BIOS reset. But shh, don't tell anybody. There's something. what is this? I don't know. Let's remove the heatsink and take a closer look. It might seem as well that the HP forum dudes were wrong or correct. I'm just taking away the plastic here. There's actually a capacitor here near the CPU that seems kind of off to me. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm talking about this one here. Can you see it? Let's just do a simple measure there and see if it's okay or not. We'll put our multimeter in diode mode. Red probe to the ground. I don't know if it did any contact, but this seems to be shorted. Oh, and the cap just went away. Let's put this under the microscope and see what's going on here. Okay. Now that we have this set up, let's see if we can show you guys what this looks like under the microscope. So this is where the blown capacitor was. It's actually in pieces right now. Its layers are spread all around the motherboard. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Clean the traces a bit. Now, if we measure, it's still very low. Yep. Let's check what's the resistance to ground there. Oh, it's not that low. It's fairly okay, to be honest. And here we have. Let's replace that cap and see what happens. We'll leave this cool for a little bit. Let's make sure that that trace here works. It's checking continuity mode. Seems to be working fine. Let's clean the CPU from the old thermal paste. Let's take this out of the way. Let's clean the heatsink as well. Looks like our glove went poof. It should be like this. Alright. Yes. This goes on the top. Okay. Let's reapply the heatsink. for testing purposes, we don't need to connect anything else. Let's go ahead and connect our power supply. We have a white light. Power button is on. The keyboard backlight is on. Let's see if it resets and if it does anything. It's drawing like 6.6 amps at the moment. It should do something. It shut down, which means that it's resetting, and now it turned back on. It's a nail biter, this one. And there you go. There you have it. We were lucky. It was just that blown cap near the CPU. Of course, we'll test this further. We will stress test it and see if it actually works okay, but hopefully we made somebody happy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.